वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन, दिस इज मानस फ्रॉम द हॉस्पिटैलिटी डेस्क। जी दोस्तों, हमने एफएनबी सर्विस का वीडियो बनाया है, केएसटी का वीडियो नहीं बनाया है। तो बहुत सारा कमेंट आ रहा है जो केएसटी में काम करता है, केएसटी में काम करते हैं उसको प्रमोशन चाहिए, जैसे सुपरवाइजर बनना है, केएसटी एग्जीक्यूटिव बनना है और केएसटी मैनेजर बनना है, उसको कैसे बनना है। ठीक है, तो उसके लिए पहले तो हम जो केएसटी में काम करता है किचन स्टूवर्डिंग डिपार्टमेंट, उस पर हम देखेंगे उसका बेसिक जो जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वो क्या है। Then we will come on the interview question and answer. Okay. Today, basically the KST, okay, kitchen staff team और kitchen service team, ठीक है, इसके बारे में बात करेंगे और इसमें ड्यूटी और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ऑफ किचन स्टाफ क्या है, कैसे काम करता है, क्या क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज फॉलो करना पड़ता है, ये हम अप टू बॉटम एकदम बिगिनिंग से और एंड तक देखिए और पता कीजिए क्या क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। So basically the term KST typically refers to kitchen staff team or kitchen service team. It consists of a restaurant and this team plays a crucial role in the smooth operation of kitchen and ensuring that the service runs very efficiently. The duties of responsibilities of kitchen staff can be very depending on the type of a restaurant or kitchen setup, but generally they fall into a few different categories where they are facing a challenges. The KST kitchen staff team duties and responsibilities is very important and very helpful for kitchen and service both. Like if you talk about food and production department, they used to help in chopping, dicing and preparing the ingredients like vegetables, meat, etc. for the dishes. They are the person who is assembling component of any particular dishes before cooking, like sauce, salad or any kind of garnishes. They are the person who is helping on the cleaning and preparing raw food items to ensure everything is ready for cook. They are the person who is helping on measuring and portioning the ingredients to ensure consistency and adhering to the recipes. They are the person, they are organizing and maintaining the inventory to ensure that ingredients are stocked properly in the store and very fresh. They are the person who is cooking and grilling in the kitchen. They are the person who is helping to shape for cooking in the kitchen. Cooking and grilling, frying and baking, these all food according to specific recipes and the restaurant standard. Everywhere it is not same. They are the person who is monitoring the quality of food as it's prepared, ensure that to meet taste and the appearance of the standards or as per the SOPs. They are the person who is to maintaining the multiple orders at once in a busy environment, often following multiple recipes and simultaneously, adjusting the cooking time and the techniques to meet different kind of varying equipments, that is different types of meat or complex dishes. The KST used to sanitized and they are the food safety person for the kitchen. How? They are the person who is to maintaining the cleanliness in the kitchen or the back area by regularly cleaning the surface and utensils or other equipment in the kitchen. The KST is adhering to food safety standards such as checking the temperature of food to ensure the cook are stored properly, like chiller and all. KST used to handling food wastage responsibilities to minimize the waste and dispose the food scraps correctly from the hotel to the out. The KST is the responsible for washing the dishes, pot and the pans after use, ensuring that everything is sanitized and ready for further use for the next dish prepared. The dish presentation, any dish chef is making for a la carte order, on that preparation also the KST is involved. How they are involved? KST used to plating the dishes before going to the restaurant. They used to do plating all the dishes neatly and ensuring the food looks appealing before being sent to the dining area. Garnishing the dishes with appropriate herbs or sauces or any other of decorative touches to enhance that presentation. The KST used to measure involved on the team coordination, communicating with other kitchen staff in the kitchen like chef, line cook or other dishwasher to ensure timely preparation and delivering all the food in the kitchen. They also used to involve on the collaborating with the waiter staff or the managers to make ensure others are everything is completed correctly on time. They also used to assisting in the training on few staff including demonstration, proper food and preparation, equipments, any kind of safety protocols. A KST executive or KST supervisor used to maintain the inventory or stock management. The monitoring the inventory levels for both fresh and the dry goods to ensure there are no shortage. Placing the order for ingredients, suppliers and kitchen materials when it is needed. Managing the stock rotation, the maintaining the FIFO and how to maintain the stock in the store, dry store or walk-in store, wherever it is. All whatever the ingredients the kitchens are using, it should not be finished. Okay, stock has to be there in the walk-in or in the dry food store, which is more important. So you see, being as a KST person who is to help 80% in the kitchen, and 20% they are using like washing area and cleanliness of the kitchen. Also, the KST person used to maintaining all the equipment of the kitchen, ensuring kitchen equipment is in working condition and performing the basic maintenance when necessary. Surfacing the knife has to be very clean and sharp has to be there. Cleaning the grill, etc., etc. Reporting the damaged equipment. The breakage report has to be maintained properly. It has to be maintained by supervisor or executive or any kind of maintenance staff has to be sent to the engineering department for prepare. That also a KST person used to taking care of. The adhering to health and safety regulation, complying with local food safety laws, that is proper handling the cooking and any kind of storing of food. There is a proper process. Wearing a appropriate kitchen attire in the kitchen to ensure by a KST person. Handling hot surface or any kind of sharp objects and other kitchen hazard must be taken care by a KST person. Cleaning and closing duties for kitchen is more important. It's supposed to take care by KST department, like cleaning all the kitchen areas, end of the day operation and also get ready for the next day operation. Everything has to be done by KST person. Taking out trash and disposing the wastage properly, done by KST person. Cleaning all the cooking utensils, equipment and all other surface to ensure that all are sanitized and ready for the next day use or next operation. So if you're looking for growth career in KST department, so you must know these all are the duties and responsibilities before starting your career. I am not talking about that KST department is not good, you cannot build a career on the KST department, but you can. You have to follow proper job responsibility, then you can become a good career in this department also. Being as a KST person, you used to ensure all the food stored properly in the kitchen, okay, and handle in a appropriate way. I'll tell you the common kitchen staff is in KST. Okay, in the KST department, they also used to help all the chefs are working in the kitchen. Chefs up to executive chef, sous chef, line cook, or any prep cook, pastry chef. Those are the chef who is working in the kitchen. A KST person individually, they used to help them a lot. There is lots of processes there. All right. So if you want to career will in this industry or in this department, you must know those all duties and responsibilities. So basically, a dishwasher is responsible for all the washing dishes, pots, pan, and utensils, and maintain cleaning all the kitchen area. All right. The KST, they basically work as a team to ensure that the kitchen is run smooth for food preparation and delivering to the guest. Teamwork, communication, and the maintaining high standard of cleanliness and food safety are crucial for success for this role. Thank you so much, and subscribe our Hospitality Desk channel and press the bell icon.